We started today thinking it would be just another trail drive, but by the end, we'd be walking through an abandoned cabin deep in the wild and chasing a waterfall in the desert. Come roam with us. Today's drive would push us a little harder. No clear map, just dirt roads and curiosity leading the way. We headed deep into the dense forest trails, tight turns, deep ruts, and mud patches. Then, unexpectedly, we spotted a cabin, old, weathered, seemingly abandoned. Back to the Jeep, we kept rolling, leaving the forest behind and heading into the desert terrain. The shift was fast. Trees faded, sand and rock took over.